Alright guys, I just installed these two LED lights here on my 15-year-old SnowBlower. What an awesome upgrade and DIY project. Let's take a closer look. So I purchased these lights and mounts on Amazon. The lights were roughly $18 for the pair. They're rated for 27 watts, but they actually draw only 24 watts together, and the mounts were about $12. So in this setup, you need to use a bridge rectifier. That converts the AC power out of the engine to DC power. The lights do swivel back and forth, and they can move in and out. I also have a three-way switch here, and what I did with the wiring is I kept the old light working, the halogen bulb. So when I go down, it runs the halogen bulb, middle is off, and up is the new LED lights. So I have everything mounted underneath using two capacitors and a bridge rectifier that's in the box. All my wires come out with quick connects so I can unhook things, hook them back up. Everything is working as it should. So this is the wiring harness here. You can see I have my AC coming out, fuse. This is where the power line will come in right here from the SnowBlower, going through the 5 amp fuse, going into the AC. And then the opposite side is the ground from the chassis or the engine block. Just have to put a ground on. It could be anywhere. And then my positive out and my negative out DC. I've hooked up two capacitors. I have two going in. So positive from positive goes to the positive line. Negative from the capacitors go to the negative line here. I went ahead and used some liquid tape to just make sure everything is protected here. Just want to mention that the capacitors, what they do is they help smooth out the signal, so it's like a buffer for the power. Everything will be much more smoother and the light should work even better. Alright, so let's take a look at things here, get the SnowBlower going. So here's a side view right now. There's a halogen light, barely lights up the SnowBlower. Now switching over to the LED light, you can see how much it lights up. It really is amazing. Here's an area view right here. There are the halogen lights. Going to switch over to the LED lights here, and you can see the big difference. Now the camera on the Mavic 2 Pro can't process light as well as my mirrorless, so it's actually brighter than it appears. And then from behind the SnowBlower, the halogen light, and then to the LEDs. This is a little more realistic to what you would actually see in person. Alright guys, so there we go. Check out the links below for parts where you can buy this and do upgrade yourself. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share. Catch you next time.